but the high wind gusts could be dangerous today. 22 News reporter Taylor Knight is live in Wilbraham to explain how to prepare for these kinds of winds.
Yeah, the winds have already started to pick up here in Wilbraham, and there are some things you can do now to prepare in case these winds bring down trees or power lines in your area. You can heat your home a few degrees warmer than you normally would. That way, if the power goes out, it will take longer for your home to cool back down. Keeping curtains closed and door drafts covered helps insulate your home as well. Any generators should be run away from windows, and disconnect larger electronics to avoid damage from an electric surge. Lastly, make sure you keep plenty of water and non-perishable foods around, and don't forget to check on your neighbors who may need help keeping warm. These strong winds are expected to last throughout the day, and gusts could reach up to 65 miles per hour. In Wilbraham, Taylor Knight, 22 News.